In this video, we will learn how to enable and disable developer option in Redmi phones and Xiaomi phones. So head into it. Just go to setting and when you go to additional setting, you cannot see any developer option available here. To enable it, we have to go into the about phone section and hit MIUI version 7 times. MIUI version 7 times. Now you are a developer. Now when you go to additional setting, you can see there is developer option available. Click it and you are now developer. You can play with the developer option, but make sure you don't mess with it, otherwise you will break your phone. So only to use your phone as a webcam by using the USB debugging mode in your laptop or computer, you can enable USB debugging and click I am aware, read the possible threats and click I am aware. By simply doing this, you are now developer and use your smartphone as a webcam for your laptop and the computer using the USB. I will post another video how you can use your smartphone as a webcam in your laptop or computer and use it for your video calling, as well as use it in the Premiere character animate as a webcam. Now if you want to disable the developer option and no more you would like to be a developer, just simply hit turn off the developer option and it will no longer be available or shown in your setting. If you want to re-enable it, just do the same process again. Thank you. Like and share, subscribe also.